even like your BRC, that reminds me of like OXY, where it was like the same thing where, again, this was when I was trapped in pre-pandemic and I was just kind of working my way out of it. And when it had this like big 3-day move, it was like, all right, it's a doji at highs, another doji, like, am I going to give this thing, my average cost basis was like in the 40s. So I'm like, I'm up, a decent amount. I'm going to feel like an idiot if this thing reverses this move in 2-3 days and it's back to 40, and I feel like a moron. So of course I take it off, and then the next day is like the biggest day it's had in 2 years. It's literally the following day.
Right.
And there was no reason, in both, like just like we were with the name you were in, how tight it was trading. That prior low day stop or the prior pivot was like 75 cents to like just give it the room, or even this was the same thing. It was like such a de minimis amount of risk to really give it, and then to be somewhat involved in that neck. Not to say I would have been in until 60, but like I would still have the chance to determine what I would do in it.